Hey there, if you're tired of typing in your captions just to have a subtitle for your video, you've come to the right video because today I'm going to teach you how to do that and let AI do that in Canva. First, you're going to search for Canva, log into Canva, or download the application if you like working in the app. But for me, I'm going to use the website for today's tutorial. So go ahead and go to Create, search video so that you can have the canvas or the preferred size that you like. Just go ahead there and click it. Then you will have a blank canvas. I'm gonna upload some videos that I've recorded myself so that you can also see how it works. So for example, I'm gonna use this one. This one is pretty long, but I'm just gonna cut it later on. So once you've uploaded it, just click on it so that you can have it there. So I'm just gonna cut this video because this one is a very long video. So I'm just gonna cut it here. I'm just gonna trim it up to like 41 seconds or a minute or so, just for you to have an idea of how to do it. Okay, so you can adjust it so like this, and then you split. I'll delete this one. So this is just a short video. Anyway, once the video is there and you already like everything, but you want to add caption. So go to apps and search caption, auto captions. Use auto captions so that it'll automatically just give you a caption for that. Then you just click open and change the caption color to your preferred one. I'm going to use black. And then font size is 100%, then generate captions. Let AI generate the captions for you. Just wait for a while. It may take a while. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead, and they don't want to have a very long video, so I'm just gonna cut it down to like 28 and split it again. But if you want, you can also have that for yourself. Then I'm just gonna generate caption. These two. Okay, let's try this one. There are a lot of applications, by the way, that you can choose from. So whichever works for you. I'm just try ahead and see if this one works. This is not the caption. Let's say subtitles. Okay. Just click export and see how it goes. They're reading your video so that they can provide the subtitles that you need. It may take a little while, but it's gonna be worth the wait. So this is the sample text. I like this one better. Then the position you can change to the top, you can put it in the middle, but of course the best way is the bottom. And then the size, you can have it in large or extra large, but I'd like it in large. Okay, then I will generate. You just got back from vacation and you have so many photos and videos that you like to share on the internet, but you don't want to flood your feed, so you want them to be in a slideshow. So you can edit everything to change the words if it's not read correctly. Then once everything is okay, then you can generate the video with subtitles. Then you just wait and see how it looks like afterward. Will it may take some time to create the video, but it's going to be worth the wait. At least you're not really typing everything, right? Almost there. And let's see. You just got back on here. You just got back from vacation and you have so many photos and videos that you like to share on the internet, but you don't want to flood your feed. So that you can automatically remove the video here and then add it to the design. You just got back from vacation and you have so many photos. You'll already have your video with the subtitles, and just click share, download, and use the MP4 video and download it. And you already have your subtitles using Canva. That's how easy and quick it is without so much hassle. Anyway, if you want more videos like this, just let us know and we'll create one for you. And that's it for today. Bye.